Let's straight away get started with the video. This is how anyone can download the video for free without any apps, and this is for absolute beginners. So click on any video you want to download. The first step is open a web page with any video you want to save and right click on inspect anywhere. Okay, now don't panic at all. This is very simple. Just click on the network tab, ignoring everything. Now refresh the page and play the video. For refreshing, you can press Command R. The second step is find the video icon or search MP4 in the search block. Here you can see, copy the link. And the third step is place it on the Chrome browser. And here you can see the video is playing. Now here you can see three dots. Just click on that and click on download. And there it is, your actual video file is downloaded. What if there is no MP4 found? So that I'll show in the next video. Till then, please like, share and subscribe.